Empress Gifty. No co fine, no co pressure, no co alarm shake. That's it. Gifty, I make us some trouble. Every idiot can go to court.
I was no co fine, no co pressure. Asama ba ho. Agradaa ko kan no co fine, no co pressure kunya. You see I'm not say there. Concerning the ongoing beef between Agradaa Hopes and her wife Empress Gifty no. Empress esi there be and some Agradaa can find on and some no she. Anu she seen to do and then they will sue the court. What the Agradaa akọ tɛar court. I mean say was say otemwa for tia asem so na. Any 200 billion old Ghana cedis every Agradaa ho Emma or no Empress Gifty. Ama lawsuit is surfacing on the internet no. Agradaa I reacted with that. No, so I fire Empress Gifty pay his head. Mean Pia couple, me once the great to your mouth. In this video, let me watch maybe more lawsuit now. Empress Gifty at the buy and Emma old demand the damages and Emma old demand nothing. So I'm more Agradaa a response with this particular lawsuit. I Penyah block media. That's what's in the over like if video no other room or subscribe to click notification and connect latest updates. Now better the watching the mama ever comments and smash baswa. No share video money as to any be ashe. It ever since Agradaa who's any Empress Gifty ever beef limono, over trend limono. They've been dating themselves. What I say back to back. Over the 2 more pay. Money you hopes and doye. And as I'll come back can yere. After so about threat. Agradaa TV XYZ as Agradaa very player. It can't be my bigger for Empress Gifty home.
Our present government. Now who Agradaa so bell now we jinaho. Now what chiao keke and some Mahama Pamu. That woman is evil. He planned to do whatever she was doing. Well, here attention, keke. Sadi no kokoye no. Eye boapayo. Hey, wa dimatem wa dimi that can be decided semimuano. I'm going to dare her. What parfum no koi. One more hopes in and no more me Empress Gifty. Remember that damn wopuma. No what the 800 no abred back. Almost stopping. And this boys munkote ho. Odu ha bompono.
Hopes yandoye, we Jimmy for. Hopes yandoye, mini one. Hopes yandoye, oh my check. You leave your useless wife to come and threat my life. Hopes yandoye, I am your last stop. We are poor. We are cramming. We didn't cram to finish. We didn't cram to finish. We didn't be play. One plafo be play. And so what's your woo? Hosiadoye, Bema would the one no any dick share. Hosiadoye, Bema wunni ho. Now I bow down. Now the name social media. Now would the done cramming. Now the day. Hosiadoye, minigu wanum. What's ya? We need a two, you know. On the crowd respect no. We need a shower, you know. On the crowd respect no. We didn't come out to finish. Shemuno, a discabro mountain. On the crowd respect no.
And what you mean by TikTok live grammar? Empress guys, oh, the Agradaa kind of what Tiabre say, oh, and now my yam too, my yam, my yam, no, my yes, in there, a normal, me do my ye, it's a normal, my tablet, how from that. But I say, Empress Gifty coffee or called that, you know, who knows there be, and someone's Agradaa kind, as man wash it, because what me catch them say, look, me, mamma, park or just get rid of me to the that's and seven what I say, and wash it. Except not wash it, 80 or you know who knows there be. My main sue Agradaa. And then here, Empress Gifty, a man who said no do tɛar court. Now, Okoye na Eloko lawsuit against Agradaa. Now, lawsuit no. And I'm going to demand as a plaintiff, or demand a sum of 20 million Ghana cedis, into parentheses 200 billion old Ghana cedis for damages for slander and libel of plaintiff by the defendant. Or 200 billion cents more can find on a slander was slander no. What I say was slander no. You think I say Makuma Mako Jessica drew the must a slander. What would say me dini? B or 2. An order of perpetual injunction to restrain the defendant, her servants, agents, privies, assigns howsoever from publication of such words or any of them or similar words to that effect. Next, answer for injunction and to Agradaa so. And as Obia belonging to Agradaa in the team. say mo bia enka ono Empress Gifty nasem ebie omumori din kura nkas enkasa. 3. An order for the defendant to pull down all the videos, audios in which she spoke the words of defamatory of the plaintiff from all her social media handles. Let's say 3 no. After so much 200 billion, Eddie man num din jansha to say mo kana simbium. After so 3. Court enche Agradaa. Na Agradaa enko delete the videos ni na from social media page. And Agradaa wa nyuma you because you don't know why they say they will 100 videos or TikTok, Instagram eguo, YouTube, Bobo, Humble TV eguo chow. And eguo no. Bloggers yes you are posting view. That's it. When they others say Agradaa delete ko bloggers there. That's what it never dies. Empress others say that's one magic scan na mo na wi nyina yin. Omo san hye na na on san go delete videos nyina emfree the page so. And D, cost including lawyers, professional finance. That 20 billion or more general lawyer fees. It was Agradaa this particular lawsuit. And I was like, Empress Gifty, I hope Piska. And ya waboka or say, Sebi, Quasia bia bit mako court, Quasia bia bit mako god, no Agradaa party. Capre, say, oh, to be safety.
Empress Gifty. No co fine, no co pressure, no co alarm shake. That's it. Gifty, I make us some trouble. Every idiot can go to court. So, mo court me personal mo din na social media na so. Social media, o kwaje court letter to go to social media. You are a coward. O kwaje letter de to social media. You have not served me any letter. If you are a man with a boss, just serve me the court letter. Hobson and Gifty. So Hobson we a bema wuchia shwa. No we yere a shawe ni ban uchia cha. Just serve me the court letter. Having a court letter posting on social media, fooling yourself on the social media, you will not get anything from it. And let me tell you, I'm not a coward. Gifty, I'm not a coward. Very soon, I am seeing you in international courts. Me did the mama dollars. Me nisi diso. Me catch now. Na me see wo court unu. Me see mo international court unu kunu. Hobson Jimmy for no. And your social media me be go. Wasi na who see wo be a social media now the abato. Social media now the abato no. It doesn't make sense. If you are a woman, you have a gas. Just come and serve me your court letter. I will receive it. And we will meet at the court. Say it's a croyimu. Na kanede ga ton babon say the cast will be share a met to a lake. Yamono. And in any answer near chilling your bone in your cool. Now who crew up say Quasia the Jimmy for Gotsna Mugabe radio station. Declare war. Say NDC full soldiers. Baby Amobeshi Agradaa, baby Amon Borono. Owiye na wukunu jawo asawe ni tutu ni ba te se wo ojawo ho e na obefrem me Mrs. Patricia Asiama aka Noko Pressure Noko Alarm Shake e na obefrem me evil obedu fie no Gifty wan hu nyansa anka nyansa ntu wukunu adwene e na wokoka wukunu and I'm about che na nintadi I was saying papa and a one punch pie the man winner was so that tells you say Gifty you are part of the fight. What because social media to kwedania ko do court now do you think say me who sister me say whoop me to wager just bring me the court letter I will meet you me catch it out me kunu on can't talk one hono other me kunu wakasa oye be me nyansa fo be ma woni nyansa tede de bia me catch us so de be wale akokora kwase Jimmy fo no no wonder somebody for bube say ya wo akwala nyansani no na opani kwase ya se Hobson adoye na what say ase oza me kunu oni nyansa no. Have you ever heard my husband's voice in anywhere of our beef? No, because he is not part of the beef. But you join the beef with your husband. And make sure when you saw you were taking me to court. And you were posting the court letter on the social media. And my can't tell Sir, a form for now, woman go on in your Mudia, the same level was so, my class I was so. And yes, I won't see a court letter me. And my attention. I'm a one night thing. I'm in your Mudia going and me a page me a free honor. I will never give anybody attention. Me say, hey, Jose, I don't know me boo. Now we want the control challenge, mammy. My boo, dear boo, went me and your fuku. What's also better now on this? Opa me, you didn't know what the branding and what you're fed in no confine. Opa, bebo, Papa is a witch me. Also, say, when you answer, I am here to announce to you that every stupid idiot, every dog can go to court. And you will meet me at the international court for you to declare war for people to kill me. I want this on God and court to my own. Now who gifty a boa who about us in the throat shade. Now there who era may say I am your boss, I am your mother. What I say, I've given you people pressure for you to run to court. But baby, I'm not a court letter in the nominal. That social media cannot do anything. Thank God today is Monday. On my way to work. So what I say? If you have a sis, a Monday blessing. Hey, no go fine. Alarm shake, no go tantalizer. No go fine, no go tantalizer. Hey, let me tell you. I'm a cookie to a bean, I'm out to put down your house. And to 90 on that basket. Hey, sister, me say, what percent did you no go fine, no go tantalizer? If you want me to give it to you back, come here. If you want me to give it to you back, just be on your compound. Send your sister, see mama sorry no pay. I'm a compound so what's this? Just walk around on your compound. Just walk around on your compound. Maria said, let us see your compound. Maria said, and then the lecturer said, you can leave it. Just 12 rounds. And now the basket, I will see what. Shall your baby see? I want to have a good basket. And I went in a basket, a day chair. Oh, wow. When you are my go see what before. Go see. What go see? What do you do in our high night? What do you do in Nara, sister? Hey, no go pressure. No go pressure. No go tantalizer. Yeah. Warrior say, hey. How's it? Sophia, before you come and beef me, Gifty, be a Juma, Siakwa, you were if your dream was high dying. I mean, maybe I can make the bed set what when your man I if you could not see. Me so your bad, just be in your compound, just be in your compound and give us catwalk like this. This just give us the catwalk. Hey, just show them. Why do I say? I was here for and I told you no a hours boutique. I know what a hours. I know what. Wait, I'm counting my blessing. Today is Monday. On my way to work, I'm still counting my motherfucker. What I say? Hey, alarm shook. Hey, no go pressure. No go afraid. No go you don't afraid. Mention my name. No go oko you TV want to me a movie. No go want to me. Hey, and you almost walk up trending news. Now maybe no surgery. 5 children. How will you know? What's in it? It's in the word. Hey, now the thing. them, show them. No go fine. No go fine. No go tantalizer. Hi, rich auntie. Hi, rich auntie. No go fine. You see my husband? What about Wally Akokura wedging? If I worry a brand here, we need answer.
Itabusia, just a woman Gaddafi, any Empress Gifty. Baby, I will do the Empress SC woman Gaddafi, Agradaa, I watching a sum of 20 million Ugandans, we got it is anymore 200 billion. And our general Agradaa on only capre, own tier once the crowd money city, all me 2 Sikama Empress Gifty, non San Fanco Yeneto, and me 20 TV so, and me join a new set of 10 year. Own tier. Why didn't you say a name as a Kohunema say? Say, can Agradaa be prosecuted for this? And I say, we. Ebeye si anasram na asaje gu. Kire wadwen fama me. Ewo comment section. Aha Penyah Media.